What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. My name's Anthony, and today we are going to cover Band Protocol. I'm going to explain to you why I think this is extremely undervalued. And you'll learn about that in a number of ways, including their latest news. We'll take a look at the TA, and then we're going to do a comparison to Chainlink, and we're going to explain just how undervalued this is in comparison to Chainlink towards the end of the video. So make sure to stick around. Also, if it's your first time stopping by and you have not subscribed yet, but you are someone who's serious about including cryptocurrency into your overall wealth building strategy, go ahead and hit that subscribe button in the lower right portion of the screen. Pause the video right now, hit the like button to help this rank in the YouTube algorithm. And without further ado, let's get into it. At the time of this recording, you can see that the Band Protocol is trading at $6.03 and ranked 172 overall by market capitalization. That's crazy because just on April 15th of this year, the price of one Band was trading at $23.34. So we are way down from our all-time high. And to be specific, we are 75% down from our all-time high. And, you know, a lot of cryptocurrencies are getting beat up right now during Bitcoin's sideways consolidation that we've talked about on this channel. We've talked about how it's in that range between $30,000 and $40,000. And as long as it ranges, especially when it creeps towards the bottom, the altcoins keep getting more and more life sucked out of them. So you're seeing incredible bargains here. And the funniest thing is, these are the moments that most people lose interest in cryptocurrency, but people who are paying attention and people who have been investing a while, and hopefully I'm speaking about you, we are the ones who potentially have the opportunity to make life-changing gains here. Of course, nothing's guaranteed, but please understand that that is a real possibility. So what is Band Protocol if you're unfamiliar with the cryptocurrency, and why am I excited about it? Well, Band Protocol is Chainlink's biggest competitor. As you can see here, it's the second biggest blockchain data provider. So what this really is a decentralized oracle. Its function is to take data from outside of blockchains, plural, not just the Ethereum network, but take data from the real world and bring them to the blockchains. That could be insurance data, that could be data about prices of different assets, like in the derivatives market or on the stock market. That could be really any piece of data that needs to be pulled in a decentralized way to a blockchain that needs to be accurate, right? That is what Band does. That is also what Chainlink does. And you guys on this channel know I've been an early investor in Chainlink, and of course, I'm still holding my Chainlink. For those of you guys watching this video, like, where are you? What are you doing, Anthony? Like, you're a Chainlink guy. Like, yeah, I'm still a Chainlink guy, but the value investment right now, in my opinion, is Band. It's not Chainlink. So I'm buying more Band. I'm not buying more Chainlink. So let's go a little bit deeper down the rabbit hole and talk about what Band is. So Band Protocol, back in 2017, chose to build using the Cosmos blockchain as opposed to Chainlink on Ethereum. And they built a system focused on helping chains talk to each other and exchange assets seamlessly, looking beyond DeFi's home on Ethereum. Okay, so you can see this play out with big players like Solana, Cosmos, Polkadot, Binance Smart Chain, and Terra. So we positioned ourselves, this is from the CEO, we positioned ourselves to address the needs of these faster, cheaper, and more scalable blockchains. So they're built to work with multiple chains. And Band is also in the process, which was just announced today. You can see this news article came out today. They're going live with its next upgraded version of the network, which is called Band Chain 2. So that is the big news coming out surrounding Band. So they are active. We love to see this when we talk about cryptocurrencies and altcoins. We love to see projects and teams that are actively developing and working on the tech. And a key part of Band Protocol's move to phase 2 is to allow data providers to run nodes themselves, rather than having intermediaries acquire the data. It's a shift that will make the system more transparent and more decentralized, an approach chosen by some other data services such as API3, which is another decentralized oracle in the crypto space, a smaller project, and they kind of took the lead from them. But what I really want to say to you guys is Band Protocol is Chainlink's largest competitor. Okay, so keep that in mind, because right now, Band is in a downtrend. It's 75% down from its all-time high, and its market cap is $212 million. So we'll use $200 million in our math. We do a comparison to Chainlink in a second here. So let's talk about very quickly the TA that's going on with Band here, and then I want to do a comparison for you. Compare the market cap of Band and Chainlink Protocol, and it's going to blow your mind when you see how much smaller Band is and just how undervalued it is, in my opinion. All right, so let's take a look at this, right? So this is the downtrend, which has been started. Well, it started before this, but this is the current short-term downtrend or resistance line that we have been encountering. Now, I'll say this, if you don't own any Band at all in your portfolio, this is a great time to consider adding it. But if you do, and you just want to stack on, I will let you know how low it is possible for this thing to fall. So our local low here, most recent low made on June 22nd, was right around $4.08. So as you see us getting rejected off of this short-term trend line, this downtrend, it is very possible, especially if Bitcoin breaks below 30K again, then it's extremely possible, and I would actually say likely, probable at that point, that we're going to have to come down and retest this level again. So you can look at the top of this kind of buy zone, this rectangular buy zone I have here. And just to show you how I accumulated this, we're looking at the daily chart. I found this by looking at traditional historical areas of resistance and support, as you guys know I love to do, because that is such a tried and true method to find great entry prices. And that buy zone really begins at about $4.50. So if you see Band fall down there, this would be a potential incredible place to buy to maximize your profits long term. Or if you're just looking to swing or day trade, that would be a level where I would expect it to bounce back upwards. But again, if you don't own any Band at all, and this is not financial advice, but this is really a great time to get in with a lot of the altcoins just really getting beat up really with Bitcoin right now, as you understand that. So, but let's talk about market caps and do this comparison. So if you look at Band Protocol, we're going to call this $200 million. Now, if you look at the market capitalization of Chainlink right now, which is way lower than it was, by the way, because Chainlink is way down off its all-time high of, I think, over $50. The Chainlink market cap at this particular moment in history is, we're going to say $7 billion. So before we even do the math, think about how ridiculous this is. Chainlink is the #1 decentralized Oracle provider at $7 billion. Band is #2 at $200 million. So how lopsided is that? I mean, think about Coke and Pepsi, right? And competition is good, right? We don't want monopolies in the free markets, right? I know this is a decentralized protocol and the whole nine, but just think about that wild discrepancy between these two. So what we're going to do here is we're going to divide the market cap of Chainlink by the current market cap of Band Protocol. And the current market cap of Chainlink is $7.3 billion. So we're going to take that and divide that by 212 million. And you're going to see that the answer is 34. So what's that mean? That means the current market cap of Chainlink is 34 times bigger than Band. Now, Chainlink has partnerships with the whole world, and Chainlink is incredibly established in this space. But do you think it should command 34 times the market cap of Band? I certainly do not think so. Right? For Band to reach that, that would just be for Band to reach the point of 7.3 billion, which is Chainlink's market cap when it's been really, really in a downtrend for multiple months, and it's way off its all-time high. So in my opinion, I think it is an incredible time to buy Band Protocol. And by that math, I mean, you could see a 34x from here. And of course, you know, I'm not just trying to blindly make you buy coins, and I'm never giving financial advice, but it's something to consider. You know, do your own research. I suggest watching more videos and looking more into Band Protocol before just blindly buying. Don't just take my advice. But I can tell you, I am adding to my Band Protocol positions at these price levels. Hit that like button, please, if you are still with me. It helps the video rank. I would fully appreciate it. Also, let me know in the comments section, which altcoins are you most excited about right now during the crypto dip of July 2021. Aside from that, I want to thank you for watching, remind you to never invest more than you can afford to lose in cryptocurrency, and wish you well. Take care.